Hello, Harris here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems in your TripAdvisor app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, TripAdvisor app, TripAdvisor, and check if you have the newest version of the app like me. If you have the newest version, everything should be cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So first, go up to the settings, go to the apps, just click TripAdvisor, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all, not the allowed, like here, not here, allow like this. Go back here, Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage. After this, everything should be cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way how to fix it. So last way is go to the Play Store, click here Uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be alright with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.